Wow, good morning. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's right there. That's so big. Camera. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but oh, good morning.
It's swinging too much.
Well, that was a very interesting way to start the video, but hey everyone. Jen and I are teaming up again to make another Cooking with Jess video. We're gonna be making pizza again, so we're gonna go buy some more ingredients because we bought some yesterday. I didn't film because I didn't think we were gonna make this video. I don't know if you can see, but that's Jen over there. They sold out. Jen just went to Bulk Barn to buy self-rising flour. Now we're going to No Frills to buy more supplies. I just tried to go to Tim's to get the Shawn Mendes mug, and they sold out of both the not plastic, but like the cups for the coffee and the reusable mugs. So now I'm gonna have to try again later, but now we're going into No Frills. We got the goods!
Look, my hands are free, I make her hold everything.
Now we're heading back home. We're making 2 kinds of pizzas, so I'll tell you more about it when we get back home. Leave me to bring everything in, Jen. You know, I'm used to it now. Oh no, the flour! Got it. Okay, quick little food haul of the things we bought. So we're making 2 kinds of pizzas. We're making a Big Mac pizza and a sausage and mushroom and green peppers and jalapeno pizza. So everything we bought, pickles.
You didn't do this in the last video.
Yeah, I did. You just didn't watch.
Because I wasn't in it.
Yes, you were!
No, not in the beginning part.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, anyways, salad dressing, Greek yogurt, right? Yeah, this is Greek yogurt. Tomato sauce, 3 packages of jalapeno peppers. We really like jalapeno peppers. 2 blocks of cheese, 2 packages of mushrooms, green pepper. Are we using the chicken? Oh, okay, disregard the chicken. Black olives. If you've seen the last video, you know why there's a problem with this. Sausage and ground beef. Now, Jen is, I don't know what she's doing, but something with the self-rising flour. What do you want me to do?
Find the big pan, I need to cook this all.
Well, I'm gonna work on the onion right now. My eyes only started watering when I was putting the onions in the bowl. Now I have to dice and slice the pickles. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should have given me 6, so I would dice 6 and then I would slice 5. I mean 3.
Yeah,
There.
What I cut my hair for? Oh, the mail.
Is that sliced?
Oh my god!
You said sliced!
Have you never eaten a burger before? I want them in circle!
Okay, this is gonna be the diced pickle.
No, obviously.
I did this last time, eh? Oh yeah, I did do this last time.
No, you didn't do that. I said slice the green peppers and you freaking dice them.
Hey, I'm not a chef, okay? This isn't a chef cooking channel. Okay, pickles sliced and diced. Alright, Jen's draining the meat and time to grate the cheese.
What have you done?
We have cheese and the beast is coming.
Oh yeah.
Because he likes cheese, right? I don't have it, kitty. Oh my gosh, you're so crazy. I was gonna use that small grater because we packed away our big grater, but I feel like I'm gonna break that, so I have to go look for the big grater. It should be in one of these boxes. Wish me luck. Look at that. I have some great luck going on. Wait, you're not allowed down here. Ah! Kitty, come upstairs, please. He wants to go downstairs. No, I can't. You're not allowed, boy. I love you. But you're not allowed. Wow.
Hello?
It does look like a Big Mac. Kind of. Quick little update. I grated some cheese. I'm still going at it. This is tough. And then for the ground beef, we added the pickles, onions, salad dressing, mayo into the ground beef, mixed it up, and it tastes literally like a Big Mac.
We got this recipe from randomly Googling.
Yeah, I was gonna ask Jen where she got this recipe.
So don't at me for not crediting no one.
Okay, so I roughly grated half of the cheese. This is, oh, that's a lot of cheese. On to the next part. Right when I came over here, you turned your back to me. Stop.
I don't understand.
It's looking good.
It's too small.
It's not that small.
Yes, it is.
I mean, okay, yeah, it's kind of small. We'll have a lot of extra meat left over, but look how good Jen rolled the pizza out. It fits perfectly on the pan. Oh my gosh. Now this has to go on there. And I have to shred the lettuce. I don't know how to shred lettuce. I'm assuming I'll just use scissors, but wish me luck. Okay, so she just put the dough in the oven.
80 hours.
80 minutes.
Hours.
Clear off. No, not clear off.
Got you.
Oh, okay. Jeez. Okay, we'll see that. Wait. We'll see this in 8 minutes. Oh, it's so dirty.
What?
When I turn the oven light.
glass?
Yeah. Yeah. Jen just took this out. Wow, that looks interesting. So, yeah. Now I'm shredding the lettuce, which I'm trying to figure out how to do. Wowza. Looking good. And I think I'm doing a good job at this. Beautiful. Okay, let's look over here. Yeah, that looks even enough. Lovely. Lovely. And we don't have that much left over. I actually thought we were gonna have more left over. The pickles. She's adding the cheese. We'll see you in 8 minutes. Roll them up in this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cook the sausage first, I think.
New plan. We're making one pizza and then sausage rolls. Because we don't have enough dough here for another pizza. It's like the size of my hand. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's check it out. Whoa! Whoa! My camera fogged up.
The dough kind of looks raw still.
Yeah. Alright, back in. Cool. Now I'm cutting up mushrooms for the sausage rolls that we're gonna be working on, and Jen just put some sausage to cook. Wow. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, and for the final finishing touch. Okay, mushrooms are ready for the sausage rolls / pizza pockets. Okay guys, I just squirted jalapeno juice into my eye, so I'm going in with these. I'm prepared now. De-seeding them is like very difficult, but I'm gonna set this camera down so I don't get jalapeno juice on my camera. Jen's adding the jalapeno peppers to the dough, and she put pizza sauce on it just now. That was only one jalapeno, and that's covering so much. Also, I don't know why I still have these on. We're gonna add cheese now. Jen just finished cooking the sausage a bit and the mushrooms, and now she's putting it on the dough. I just cut up the pizza and we're gonna try it in a bit. Wow. Uh-oh. It is a pizza pocket. I say 5 minutes. Oh, we're gonna go try the pizza now. Oh, did you like it?
Yeah.
It's a little messy. I'm eating it! Oh my god, no! He's not allowed to eat it. He's not gonna eat it. He's not gonna. Anyways, thanks, Jen. He's right here, by the way. Hi, cat. He wants the cheese. Anyways, we're gonna try it. Oh my gosh.
What?
It tastes like a Big Mac.
I would hope so.
This was a success, I think.
I was still missing something.
Like seasoning?
I don't know. Maybe we should have used the Thousand Island as pizza sauce.
I don't know, but we're gonna finish eating this and then we're gonna try the pizza pocket in a bit. No way! Oh my god!
Let's wait for it to cool. Look at all that oil.
I know. I think it's the cheese that's making it really oily. But yeah. What are you doing? You have so much oil on your face.
There's flour in my face?
No oil.
Well, whose fault is that?
Ah, Jennifer! Okay. Anyways, we're gonna cut this in half in a minute. Wow, that looks so cool. Sausage, mushrooms, jalapeno peppers, and cheese. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh. Look at that. Focus, boy. Oh my god, that looks so good.
Isn't it hot?
I mean, I can pick it up.
Why'd you just shove it in your face?
I wanted to smell it.
Just hit yourself in the face with it.
Okay, are you gonna try it? It's like pretty hot actually. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Okay, well.
It tastes like something I've had before.
I don't know what, but it tastes pretty good. It's kind of greasy because of the cheese. Same with the pizza. But I like it.
I hope we need a knife and a fork.
Yeah, we need a knife and a fork. Overall, I think both pieces were a success. Very greasy, but like, I guess it's because of the amount of cheese that we used. But I like it. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here, so I hope you guys enjoyed this mess of a video. Hopefully when I'm editing it, it turns out well. But yeah, until next time, I'll see you later.